Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M04 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, so you can see try again in 30 seconds. Okay, to power off, first press and hold the volume up, down and power key together for a few seconds like this. Press and hold it. Now release. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together like this for a few seconds. Press and hold it and release. So you can see it will send you in Android recovery. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. So now go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see data wipe complete. Okay, now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after reset, when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock your phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M04 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.